Hello, today I'm with the Marshall MID ANC headphones and I'm going to show you how you can connect them to your Windows laptop or PC. First of all, you need to find this gold button and you have to click and hold this button until this small indicator starts blinking blue. So just click and hold it. As you can see right now it turns white. And right now it is blinking blue, so we can release that gold button. And right now you have to go for the system settings, go to the Bluetooth and devices. Right now turn it on by tapping on the switcher and click to add device. Next select Bluetooth. And just wait until your headphones appears on the list. As you can see in my case they appears at the bottom of the list, so click on them once. And when you are connected, just go simply to the system settings, open sound. And be sure that our headphones are selected for the output and also for the input device. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.